On the 25th of December, we might finally get the US launch of the Crypto.com exchange. In this video, we're going to tell you why specifically that date, why this launch is going to be so important, and why you as a CRO holder should not miss out on this event. Also guys, what you should not miss is hitting that like button and checking out this video sponsor, NordVPN. Currently the best way to browse foreign exchanges. And right now you can get a discount using my promo code GentleCoin. Link will be in the description down below. But let's get right into the content. Let's start talking about that date, ladies and gentlemen, the 25th of December. If you see my video talking about Q4, you should know it's always been the goal to launch the US exchange in Q4 of 2021. Right now, 2021 is coming to a close, so therefore this time slot is also closing in. Anyway, luckily we got some news and also some hints that we might actually expect this exchange coming soon. So let's get right into the first article. December started with Crypto.com acquiring two US-based exchanges. We've got Nadex and the Small Exchange. These two exchanges are not really crypto exchanges, but do offer more traditional stock trading. However, they do have derivative and future options. These last two parts are very important because Crypto.com also wants to offer their derivatives and futures trading to US customers. Normally though, in the US, it's a bit more harder to get the right licenses. So having acquired Nadex and a Small Exchange should make that a bit easier because they already operate in the US and should have the proper know-how. It should be noted though that this deal will come to fruition in the first half of 2022, as mentioned over here. But okay, this should still kickstart the US exchange. So guys, things are getting right now pretty serious with the US exchange. Otherwise, you should not acquire two US-based exchanges. Anyway, there is some other news regarding the 25th. So why should the 25th be such an important day? That mainly has to do with two other articles. So right now, you should know that Crypto.com did acquire the naming rights of the NBA Lakers Stadium, right now named the Staples Center. This will be renamed starting on December 25th. But that's not the only thing, guys. Do you still remember the Fortune Favors the Brave commercial? Many people watched that one, but there's a specific part with a pilot, and I'm going to show it to you right now, because what do we see on the runway over here? 25, the 25th. Guys, this is not just a hint, because we know that planes fly, but we also know that, well, US exchanges are coming. Anyway, to stop joking, ladies and gentlemen, I have no inside information, and it's not set in stone that the 25th should be the launch date of the US exchange. But these are two very clear hints to me. So guys, stay tuned and definitely watch that 25th of December. Anyway, so why is this launch so important, guys? Let's talk about that right now. For Crypto.com as a company, the United States customer base is a growing target audience. Not only because many people over there are pretty crypto savvy, I mean, many of the people watching right now are from the States, but also because the volume from the States is just absolutely crazy. Just looking at the biggest exchange over there, Coinbase, well, that alone generates 4 billion in revenue, or volume actually, in just 24 hours. And in the top 10 exchanges, there are a lot more US-based exchanges, like for example, FTX doing almost 2.5 billion. And we've got Binance US alone doing $500 million. And also we've got Gemini and probably a lot more US exchanges. And if Crypto.com could only get a small percentage over the whole US exchange pie, well, that would also generate just already a lot of volume and therefore more fee revenue. Also, don't forget that many people in the States already do have the Crypto.com app. So they might just have it for the Visa card, but it's a great gateway to get started with actual trading on a proper exchange. Now you should understand that for the company, this expansion of the US exchange is really important. But what is in it for you as a CRO holder, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video? Well, that has everything to do with two things. Price action due to good news, and also price action due to more use of the coin. Let's start with the first part, ladies and gentlemen, the good news. As you might know, I'm a firm believer that CRO is built upon good fundamentals. Therefore, it should be worth near to $4 at the end of this bull cycle. However, what it should be worth and what actually is worth is often different. So right now, it's near to like 50 cents. However, fundamentally, nothing really changed between this high over here and this high over here. The only thing that happened in between was, well, a big launch, a big media campaign. We got Fortune Favors the Brave, and we got the Staples Center being renamed to the Crypto.com Arena. These two news events basically boosted the price up to nearly $1 for CRO in a very short period of time. I personally think that the US exchange launch will be another good news event that might actually enable us to go back to those $1 levels for CRO. However, guys, by no means is this any financial advice. What I'm sure of though is that CRO will get some more attention, and especially because I don't think this will be a single event. Once the exchange is live in the USA, of course, they will do more marketing, they will do more events, they will try to continuously push the exchange to the US audience. Regardless of all the good news, well, having the exchange enables a lot of more things for US customers as well. So what you could do, for example, on the exchange is actually staking your CRO. So a lot more use cases and utility for the CRO holders out there in the US. So if you start staking, for example, right now, you would lock up your CRO for 180 days, but you would receive 10% in return APR daily. And you will also get up to 100% back in trading fee rebates, guys. Anyway, some other things you could do on the exchange are participating with the syndicate events and just generally do trading. I specifically mentioned trading because trading CRO on the exchange is right now the cheapest and best way to get a lot of CRO. So for example, if you want to stake a lot of CRO to get a Visa card, an IC White or a Royal Indigo one, well guys, in that case, you could best go to the exchange, buy CRO with USDT or something like that, and then go back to the app and actually stake for that CRO. Otherwise, there are quite some hidden, well, fees. And over here on the exchange, things are really transparent and you exactly know how much you're going to pay in trading fees. For many crypto newbies out there, the exchange is probably too advanced. They just want to see an easy app where they can buy and sell crypto. Therefore, they got the Crypto.com app. But I'm lucky for all US friends out there, they can finally start to use the advanced trading functions at least, or at least have the option. But okay, I for one, I can't trade anymore without watching or seeing my charts over here. But okay, I digress. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, the Crypto.com team seems almost ready to start shipping out the US exchange. And yes, this will be a mega bullish event for both US and non-US holders of CRO. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what your price predictions are and if you're planning to actually start using the exchange. If not, let me at least know if you like this video by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. But that is me, that is CRO Coin, and I will see you in a future video. Till then.